In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in Canva. If you're working on a Canva design and you have an extra page you no longer need, the good news is that removing it is very quick and simple. This is useful when you're cleaning up a presentation, shortening a document, or just getting rid of a draft page that you created by mistake. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can do it in just a few seconds. To begin, open your design in Canva. Make sure you're inside the project where the page you want to remove is located. Once the design is open, take a moment to look through your pages so you can confirm which one needs to be deleted. This is especially helpful if your design has multiple pages, since deleting a page happens instantly. Next, go to the specific page you want to delete. You can scroll through your design until you find it, then click on that page so it's active and selected. Be careful here to make sure you're on the correct page before moving forward. If you're working in a longer design, it can help to pause for a second and double check the content on that page. Once you're on the right page, look at the top right area of the page. You should see a trash icon there. Click that trash icon and the page will be deleted immediately. There usually isn't much delay, so as soon as you click, the page is removed from the design. Because the deletion happens right away, it's a good idea to be certain before you click. If you're editing a design with several similar looking pages, taking that extra second to verify can save you time. This is one of those small Canva features that's very easy to use once you know where to look. And that's it. That's how to delete a page in Canva. Open your design, navigate to the page you want to remove, and click the trash icon in the top right of that page. It's a fast and straightforward way to keep your design organized and remove anything you don't need. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you follow the process with confidence.